here at the City of St. Pete City Hall. It's supposed to be open till 5 o'clock. Let me see how that works.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
How's it going?
Good.
How can I help you before we...
I need to go drop off these papers. I wanted to...
You're gonna have to empty your pockets. What papers are you dropping them off to?
All those.
Who are you dropping them off to, sir?
Maybe office, whoever's here. Doesn't matter.
What are they?
Legal papers.
This isn't the legal department.
Yeah, I know that. The legal department is open. And I have to deliver these to the City of St. Pete today. So where do I need to go? Point me in the right direction.
That would be over at MSC.
I was already there. They sent me here.
Well, the mayor's not here, so...
Well, there's got to be somebody here. So who's in the building? Who's here?
Sir, you cannot go back.
Who's here?
Nobody.
The whole building's closed.
Yes, sir.
They just told me they were open till 5 o'clock here.
The mayor is not in this building.
I don't need to see the mayor.
Who do you need to see?
Anybody in the administrative offices.
Can you back up 6 feet?
You're the one that came to me. You're the one that came around the end of the rope to me. If you want to back up and create distance, you back up.
Sir, I'm going to have to call St. Pete PD.
Call St. Pete PD.
Okay?
Go ahead and try. I'm here to deliver legal documents. I dare you to try and trespass me. I'm here to deliver legal documents to the City of St. Pete.
You're being very aggressive.
You're being very aggressive. Step back.
Can you go back through?
Now, I came here to ask to see somebody in the St. Pete City office. Where are
Can you
they?
go back through? Sir,
Excuse me.
Sir, you're not allowed in here.
Why?
You are not allowed in here.
Okay.
You are not allowed in here.
Why not? It says information.
Stop.
Okay, well, that door was on an angle. So is there no information in here?
Sir,
Yes.
can you hold on?
Hi, I need to drop off some legal papers, and this guy is being overly aggressive with me.
How am I being aggressive?
Look at
You
you.
went right through the scanner. It went
Look
off.
at you.
I'm asking you to go back.
Yes.
First thing first, I'm gonna need you to go back.
I've already been through the scanner. I've already been through the scanner. I already put my stuff.
Did you check in on this scanner?
Listen, I've got a body cam running. Don't you dare lie. I put my stuff in the basket, and I went through the scanner. I put the stuff in the basket, and I came back through again. So don't you start lying here.
Sir,
Yes.
I'm gonna need you to go back to this.
I've already been through it. I need to deliver these documents to somebody in this building and this. I don't care who. Doesn't matter.
He just said you come here and you did a check. How come he checked you?
I have the video. Go ahead. I have the video.
See you walk into the door.
Right. And then he was over here. Well, let me finish. He came up here and he said, you need to go back. I put my stuff here. I went back through. I put my stuff in the box on that side. I came through. It didn't beep, and I picked up my stuff. And I have that on camera. So don't be giving me crap. I have a very simple job to deliver this to somebody here in this building. So who do I need to deliver it
You're
to?
delivering this to whom?
Whoever's here that officially works for the City of
That's
St.
the
Pete.
thing. I need to know.
I don't care.
I need to know which.
Anybody in
department.
the administrative department.
I'm gonna
Secretary
go
of the mayor's office, anybody.
Okay. What is this for?
It's legal documents
Legal document for whom, sir?
for a court case. I have to serve these on the City of St. Pete. I don't really care who gets them.
Okay. Here's the thing, though. I need to know who you're delivering this to. If it's for the mayor's office, if it's for you're delivering for an individual, I need to know.
What was the second choice?
Say that again.
What was your second choice?
Are you delivering to city employees? You're delivering to the mayor's office?
I can't understand what you're saying. Yeah, city manager's fine. Mayor's office is fine. I don't care where. Doesn't make any difference. Wherever.
We can only receive anything you're delivering to the mayor's office for the mayor's office. Other than that, we don't receive no delivery.
Well, then it's for the mayor's office because this is for the City of St. Pete.
Okay, let me see. Well, you can sit it down. Yeah, that's not for the mayor's office.
This is a legal action brought by the City of St. Pete, so it is.
Well, that's not for the mayor's office. We can receive it, period.
Yes, you can. It's
I
for the.
just said no.
You're not a lawyer. It's for the City of St. Pete.
Are you a lawyer?
And it's not up to you to decide. The City of St. Pete, I am obligated by law to deliver these to the City of St. Pete. This is the City of St. Pete building. I don't really care who I have to give it to.
And I'm going to tell you this again, one more time, sir. If this is addressed to the mayor's office,
It's not a matter of being addressed to the mayor. It's not for him
and you
personally.
don't make that kind of decision, man.
And you don't make the decision who gets to
Well,
deliver
you
things to
and
this
my-
office.
You telling me, you and my.
I need someone in this building to come down here and accept these. You pick whoever, I don't care. Pick whoever. Call whoever. Call somebody from the administrative office to come down here.
I'm not calling anybody. That's not for anybody.
All right, then I need to go up to the mayor's office and walk through the door and say, here,
You're going where to the mayor's office? How are you going to go to the mayor's office?
wherever it is. Is it in here?
How are you going to go to the mayor's office?
Because this is what they told me at the MSC office down the street. To come here before 5 o'clock, which I'm here before 5 o'clock.
And
Are you
this is
impeding,
not for the-
are you impeding legal service of these documents? Why? Who are you to impede these documents? Who are you to tell the city of St. Pete? When I go into court and they don't have these documents, I want to know who you are so I can tell them that you are the one that said they can't have them, and the reason they don't have them is because of you. So who are you? Say it into the camera.
If you deliver this, if it's for the mayor's office will say that. If you deliver
It's for the mayor's office, and he can do with it whatever he
your
wants.
document are for individuals.
He is in charge of the city of St. Pete, right?
We're not having any conversation.
I need to know who you are.
Well, I'm in charge of security.
What's your name so I can tell the judge that you're the one that said I couldn't bring these here. What is the government now? Some secret society? They hide behind the walls. No one can talk to anybody. You're not allowed to access service. Thugs like you stop people at the door. You can't deal with our own government. We don't have the right to redress anymore. I mean, what the hell is going on with society today? This is the city of St. Pete. They work for the people of the city of St. Pete.
But how are you going to deliver things like you need to find this individual and deliver your...
I need to deliver it to the city. To the city. This is the city building. This is where the city
I
lives.
asked you if it's for the mayor's office. You
Yes.
said no. And
No, you asked me if it was for the mayor himself. Yes, it's for the mayor's office. I want someone from this administrative office from the mayor to come down and get these. And then they can do whatever they want to do with them. They can reroute them to any office they want in the entire government of the city of St. Pete. You can uncross your arms. You're safe back behind the glass. You'll be okay.
sermons. He said, I'm not a lawyer, I can tell him, and we're not receiving the papers. Exactly. Okay. I'm talking to legal. Give me just 1 second.
I need to just deliver something to the city of St. Pete. These guys are not allowing me even in the building to deliver this. This is ridiculous.
Oh, so are you the one that we're having an issue with?
No one's. I'm the only one having an issue here is them for trying to stop me from doing my job.
I want them to leave because he is here to deliver receive it, the mayor's office will not receive it because it is not for the mayor's office.
It's for the city of St. Pete. Stop saying that. You don't know what you're talking about.
Insolvent individual, he has to find them where they are. He needs to know who these people are. If it's for the mayor's office, we're going to receive it. Someone from the mayor's office will come down.
Hi, I'm downstairs in the lobby. I have some documents that are supposed to be delivered to the city of St. Pete, and the security here won't let me come down. They're calling the police. I have an obligation to serve these, not serve them. It's not a legal service. It's just a delivery of copies of dockets for a legal case that the city of St. Pete is involved in. It's the city's copy of motions that were filed, and I just need someone to just come down here and take them. That's it.
Legal department will not receive any individual summons unless if it's for the city.
They're just copies of motions for the city of St. Pete. I'm obligated to provide a copy of the motions that were filed to the city of St. Pete. That's all I want to do. I went down to the attorney's office. They said to come down here. The attorney's offices are closed. There's no one there. They say no one's coming in, no one's working out of the offices, and they suggested I come down here. So now I walk in here, and they're telling me I can't even come into the building. I want to go either up to the mayor's office and just drop this box off, or have someone from the mayor's office come down here and pick the box up. I don't care which.
So is there anybody here?
Pardon me?
Even if they hit, they're not going to receive it because it's not for the
So who is this then that I'm speaking with?
It's for other individuals that maybe work for the city.
The mayor, then you may deal with security. Okay, now to begin, is this some type of legal document? Because what if you address it?
I'm sorry, I could understand you. Hello?
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, I could not understand you. So if I just leave it here with these security guards, that's good enough?
Okay, is this some type of, what type of document?
It's just copies of motions that-
Serving the city?
It's not a service, it's just copies of motions. That's all I need to do. And then you guys can reroute it to any place you want within the building. I don't care. My job is just to drop it off to the city. That's it.
And then, and if you don't mind to answer, who are you? Are you a server?
Yeah, I'm just delivering the documents. It's just
Okay,
it's
so-
my job just to drop them off. That's it. And I
Who
just
is addressed to?
it's not addressed to anybody. It's just supposed to be delivered to the city of St. Pete. That's it. It doesn't matter where. And then once you guys get it, you can look at it. You can do whatever you want to do. Okay?
This is not set up for this is city of St. Peter.
So can you please send someone down to get these so I can make sure that they've been delivered properly?
Really, right now there is no one else in here that can get it from you. So I can try to reach out if anyone
Well,
else
if I can-
downstairs who's
if-
allowed to receive it from you.
If I can just leave it right here, I don't have a problem with that, but I need to know who I delivered it to, and the security guard down here is refusing to tell me his name.
Security guard, sir, and this is not staying here. You're taking
Yes.
it with you.
Well, she just said I could leave it here.
No, you won't.
So,
Are you talking to a city employee?
pardon? Yes.
Can she come down here?
Yeah, the police are down here, and they want to know if you can come down here and just take these. Hello? Hello?
So you're just dropping the box off?
That's it.
The process,
That's it.
okay.
So do you know the name you were just talking to just now?
No, she's upstairs in the mayor's office. I just dialed the number that's on the main office number.
Can you call the mayor's office?
Oh, yeah.
See who he was talking to?
I'm doing it again right now. Yeah.
This is right here. Okay. He's got is it subpoenas?
No, it's not subpoenas. It's just copies of motions that have to be, the city has to get a copy of the motion. So that when they come to court, they have a copy of the motion that's been delivered to them. And this
Thank
mayor's
you for
out
calling the office of the mayor of the city of St. Petersburg. This is Mayor Rick Kreisman.
Oh.
We're not available at the moment.
now they're not answering the phone. But she said I could leave it with you, so just tell me what your name is.
I'll receive it. I'll be back in a minute.
You're trying to deliver it to somebody who works here, however, it's not
Anybody.
PD related.
Anybody.
It's not city related.
And it is city related, just whoever the city is here. I don't care what office it is, I don't care who it is, as long as I know the name of the person I gave it to.
Who's
That's
it
it.
supposed to go to in particular?
Technically, the city of St. Pete, that's it. And basically the city of St. Pete is required to, in a litigation, if you file a motion, you're required to serve a copy of the motion on the opposing party. The opposing party in this case is the city of St. Pete. Okay. So if you go to court and you have to just say, I gave it to them, so if they show up without it, it's their problem.
Well,
and
I can't really blame that guy for wanting to be responsible for these type of documents.
Well, the lady on the phone just said give it to him.
Well, I understand. Well, if she knows about it, then she should be the one down here to take care of that.
I agree.
You know,
but I haven't been having a lot of luck.
He's security. He doesn't work in the court system.
Yeah, but he's the one that stopped me and told me I can't go up to the mayor's office to give it to them. See the problem here?
Well, I don't know.
See, and that's the problem.
Hopefully he can get whoever you talk to come down here and then we can get this resolved.
I don't care who it is. Now, I went down to the legal office down there at the MCP building, the municipal county building, the city building down there, and they said the lawyer's offices are closed down there, bring it down here. And they said, hurry up, they're going to close at 5 o'clock, so I'm down here. So I'm doing what the lawyer's office down there told me to do, and then this guy's getting all aggressive and hot and bothered trying to let me come in this building. This is a public building. This is where the employees of the government work. The government's supposed to be here to serve the people. But now what, you're not allowed to go near them? They're too high and mighty to approach? I mean, that's ridiculous. So what names and badge numbers do we have here?
Well, there's my name.
I'm sorry, my glasses are fogging up because of this mask. Can you tell me what your name is and your badge number, please?
Munich.
Munich?
Munich.
And your badge number?
48639.
48639, thank you. And I'm sorry, can you please tell me your name and badge number too, sir?
Lieutenant Miller, 42372.
Thank you, sir, 43272. And your name and badge number, please?
Acting Sergeant Carry House, 44464.
Thank you, sir, appreciate it.
Yep. You guys gonna do it?
Yeah. We're staying by and see.
Oh, are you in charge here of these gentlemen? There is supposed to be, I imagine, right up there on that wall, an empty space. I would like to go to the stairwell there and take a photograph of it.
Just let them figure out what's going on first, and then they can.
But if
5 o'clock already.
But if you could just escort me over there for 2 seconds, we could solve that problem.
Just let them figure this issue out here first.
So I can't just go like right there and take a picture of the blank wall.
Figure out what they're going to do with this paperwork, okay? Then we can go to the next step, okay? This came in as a totally separate kind of call than what you're thinking it is. It came in as a bigger deal than what you.
You mean the security lied here? What did they tell you?
So that's why I'm here right now.
So you lied to them? What call did you call them for?
I did not call them.
Then who called them?
It's the way it came in, sir.
Right,
That's all.
exactly.
That's the way it came in.
Exactly, but that's part of the problem because you all know what happens when police officers arrive on scene, right?
Listen to me.
Sometimes they're just extrajudicious violence and shooting for no reason.
What are you talking about?
So when you call
Nobody's
no, you're not. But that risk exists.
We de-escalated the whole situation.
But
We're just standing here talking to you.
that risk exists when people make false calls to the police and send them out on a call with an escalated level of
Communication
urgency.
is what it is. I'm trying to communicate with you.
Right.
And stop this. Just take it down.
Well, we can take it down a really good bit if you would just allow me to walk over to that stairwell and film there. You can come with me.
We can take it down as long as I do what you want me to.
No, this is a public building, is it
I
not?
told you to stand by for a second. Let him finish what he's doing, and we'll go.
Okay, does it say that I can't?
I just told you to stand by and wait for him.
So am I being detained?
No, you're not being detained.
Okay, but you're still telling me what I can and
This
can't
building's
do.
going to close in 3 minutes. Okay?
Right.
So when it closes, I'm going to have you leave this building. Okay. Since you don't want to listen to what I have to say.
Okay, so then when I go to court, I'm going to tell the judge that you
Yes.
refused them those documents and that's why they don't have them in their
You can
hands.
tell the judge I told you to leave this public building.
That's
at
right.
5
I'm here to
p.m.
deliver them. I was here on time and you're going to tell me I have to leave before they're delivered.
At 5 p.m., you're going to have to leave this building.
Okay? And it's going to be blamed on you then because you're the one in charge.
I've already told you my answer.
I understand that.
Okay.
But when the judge wants to know how come they don't have the
Sir,
documents,
just
I'm going to
because
tell
we're
them it's your
recording
fault.
and You're making a big scene or whatever.
I'm not making a big scene.
My answer. I've already told you what I'm going to do.
No, of course, you're going
I'm
to
communicating with
you're
you.
going to do the most complicated and unreasonable thing necessary because that's what you do.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
just so that you understand, this is a public building. But
Yes.
But it is secured access.
Right, and I went through their thing.
That's why we have the security.
And I went through their thing. Put the thing, went through. That's how come I'm here. So I've already gone through that.
Okay. We just have to work some stuff out, and then we'll do our best to work with you, okay? So just be patient with us,
Hang out here.
How can I be patient? He's telling me I've got a minute and he's going to throw me out the front door.
That's not
How
what I
should I be
That's not what I
patient?
said.
At 5 o'clock, you said you're going to make me leave this building. All
Calm down. Wait for the next person to come down there, or whatever they want to talk to you and figure out this paper issue.
right. Well, we're just going to get a copy of that 911 call that somebody in here made and see what kind of lies they told, and then I'm going to file a charge against them for filing a false report of the crime. Yeah, I know, you don't care.
Did you guys get this ID and everything like that? Not yet. You have your ID on there, sir?
I don't give ID.
Okay. Do you have a corporation or?
I don't identify myself. I don't answer questions.
I'm sorry? Well, sir, we need to know who we're talking to.
Actually, no, you don't. Have I committed a crime? Are you familiar with Florida?
Did you sign in on the
Are you-
sign-in sheet?
I didn't ask. I wasn't asked to sign in the sign-in sheet. Is not signing in a.
Somebody's coming down.
Nobody's coming down because this is not for the mayor's office. Yeah, he wants
So-
to serve a specific individual. The mayor's office is not going to be responsible for that.
Okay.
And you have 2 minutes, sir, because the building is closed at
And
5
who are you?
o'clock.
I want you to identify yourself. Who are you? I
I'm
want
the
you.
supervisor. I'm in charge of security here.
According to them, they're saying that since this is not, this has individual names on it, they don't want to accept this right now. So that's not between the police department and you, that's between the people here.
So then the city of St. Pete is declining
That's
service of a
what they told- That's
copy.
what they told us, sir. So we're
Okay.
just here to
I just need to
ensure
document that
keep
the city of
peace.
St. Pete is declining the documents.
That's what you're saying.
Yes.
Okay,
So here we are. The entire box of documents for this case is being declined by the city of St. Pete, by their offices and all these officers here, and most specifically this security guard right here.
Are you guys
Okay.
Yes,
All right.
All right, sir.